Good morning. Today's November 4th, and today's refinishing project is located in Berkeley, California. All right, so today in Berkeley, we're going to be refinishing this still porcelain overlay bathtub. And as you clearly can see, it's extremely bad, especially on the bottom. The sides are worn, there's chips here and there. However, the bottom is extremely bad. As you can see right here, it's worn all the way through to the metal. So we definitely have to take care of that, patch that, sand it smooth, and prime and refinish it. A bathtub in this condition usually takes us a full day to complete. A lot of prep work for these tubs in this condition, but we could turn them around as long as they're not fully rusted through everywhere. We pretty much can save the bathtub. All right, so here's the job for today in Berkeley, California, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. All right, so we just finished up the tub in Berkeley. Let's have a look.